On this video today, I'm going to show you the best and the easiest strategy that you can use to make money online from home as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method, you are not required to invest anything. All that you need to do is that you have to follow some simple steps and you can be making money from home using AI and getting free traffic to your affiliate link. That is basically what you are going to be doing. You don't need to invest anything. Everything is completely free. So if you are new and you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. Before we get into the details, let me refresh my screen. So let me click on update. So let me click on it. As you can see, everything has been updated and it's still the same. So now the first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. You can see I am an affiliate on Digistore24. So what you need to do is that you have to join an affiliate network. There are many of them. We have Digistore24, we have ClickBank, we have JVZoo and many others. So any of them that you want, you can join and then get products to promote. In my case, I'm using Digistore24 because it's worldwide. They have a lot of products that you can promote and they pay directly through your local banks. So this is a stress-free platform that you can sign up and then get products to promote, and you are going to be paid easily once you get a sale. If you want, you can also sign up for Digistore24. Now once you sign up for Digistore24, what you need to do is that you have to click right here, marketplace. Once you click on the marketplace, you're going to see a page like this. They have a lot of different categories of products that you can promote. They have digital products, they have events and seminars, they have services, they have shipping products. So any of them that you want, you can click on it and then get a product to promote. For example, if you click on digital products, you can see animals and pets, betting system, business and investment, computer and internet, dancing and music, dating, relationship and romance, education, email marketing and many others. So any of these categories that you want, you can find a product to promote. Now once that is done, you can see events and seminars. If you click on it, there are many others that you can promote. You can see services, there are many others that you can promote. Under services, these are the products that you can promote. If you want, you can also click on shipping products, skincare, food supplements. These are also products that you can promote. So just select any kind of product that you want and then promote it. If you want, you can also sort the products. You can see right now all these products are sorted based on popularity. If you want, you can change it to cart conversion rate or cancellation rate. The cart conversion rate means the number of people who click on the link of the product and then go ahead to make a purchase. So there are many of them. You can see these are products that people are likely to buy anytime they click on your link. Almost all the products on this platform, they are good products, but these products are just ranking high. So if you want, you can promote any of these ones, or you can search for a specific product. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to search for a specific product under a category that I want. So I'm going to click on digital products. Once that is done, the next step is that just scroll down and then click on health and fitness. Once you click on health and fitness, you can see a whole lot of different products that you can promote. So just select any of them that you want and then promote. You can see a whole lot of them. I want to promote a weight loss product. You can see this product right here is a supplement for weight loss. The commission rate is $34.53 per sale. When you scroll down, you can see many others. You can see a whole lot of different other products that you can promote. So just select the one that you want. In this case, I'm going to be promoting this product right here, the ultimate keto meal plan. You can see the commission rate is very high. You are going to be earning $124.16 per every sale that you get. That is a lot of money. So if you are able to get many people to purchase this product, you are going to be earning a lot of money per day. So now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to find a way to get people to click on our affiliate link. When you click right here, you can get your affiliate link, but the challenge is how to get people to click on that link and then make the pages so that you can earn this amount right here. There are many ways by which you can get people to click on your link. Some of them are free, some of them are also premium ways. In this video, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you the free way by which you can get people to click on your link and then purchase this product so that you can earn a lot of money. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be using an AI to write an article. Once we write the article, we can get a website which get a lot of traffic so that we can publish the article onto that website and then get people to read the article. Once they read it and then see our affiliate link in the article, they can click on it and then go ahead to make a pages for us to earn money. The AI that we are going to be using to write the article is Claude.ai. This is an AI tool which works like ChatGPT, but this one, when it comes to writing, I prefer to use Claude.ai. It is good. So, and it is one of the trending AI tools when it comes to writing and then creating digital products. So I'm going to be using this AI tool to write the article. So all that you need to do is that you have to type a prompt here. Once you type a prompt, this AI can be able to write an article for you. You are going to use it to promote the product. You can give a prompt like this: write an article. Let me add that. Write an article about the keto meal plan. I want to promote the ultimate keto meal plan in the article. So provide me a call to action for me to insert my affiliate link. So we are asking the AI tool to write the article and then create call to actions in the article so that you can insert your affiliate link. So now let's click on send so that it can write the article for us. So it is going to write a very nice article. Let's wait for it. You can see it is working. As you can see, within a matter of minutes, it has written a full article. You can see it has even shown us the category. So let's scroll down. You can see this is the whole article. You can see this is a call to action. You can see it right here. When you scroll down, you can see this is some data that it has shown. So it's a very nice article. You can see everything in the article. You can see everything. In order for you to get many people to read this article and then take the action, you need to get a very good website where you can publish your article for free, and that website must have a lot of traffic so that you can get many people to read it. Alright, the website that we're going to be using to publish our article is Substack.com. Substack.com is one of the best websites where you can publish your article for free and then get a lot of traffic. As you can see this article right here, you can see it has gotten 14k likes. You can see the comment 301. You can see this one, the repost, it has gotten 1.3k. So assuming you publish your article and get results like this, you are going to be getting thousands of sales. You can see this one has gotten 571 likes. You can see a number of comments. You can see the repost. So this website is definitely a best website where you can publish your articles. You can see this image right here. It has even gotten up to 30.5k likes. You can see the number of comments. You can see the repost. So it's a best website, and when we publish our article, we are likely going to get many people to read it and then purchase the product that we are promoting. To post your article, what you need to do is that you have to sign up for an account. It's free. Once you sign up for an account and log in, you are going to click right here, create. Once you click on it, you can see you can create live, you can create podcast, video, article, note. So we are going to publish an article. So select article. Once you click on article, you are going to see a page like this. You can see title. So what you need to do is that you have to come back on Claude.ai and then copy your title. You can see this is your title. So highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can add your subtitle. So come back. There's a subtitle. So let's come back. You can see this is your subtitle. Highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to copy the entire article and then paste it right here. Highlight and paste your article right here. So just come back on Claude and then copy everything about your article. Just highlight and then copy everything. Or you can click right here, copy, so that you can copy your entire article. If you want, you can also highlight from the bottom up to the last part. Just highlight everything. You can highlight everything and copy. Let me click right here, copy. Once you copy your article, you'll come back on substack.com and then click right here, paste, so that you can paste your article. As you can see, that has been done. Your article has been pasted. You can see everything. So all that you need to do is that you have to copy the entire article and then paste it right here. Once you paste the article, you can see there are call to actions. You can see this one, for example, get the free mail plan. So now what you now need to do is that you have to come back on Digest224. Once you come back on Digest224, you need to copy your affiliate link. So click right here, copy promo link. Once you click on it, you have to come back on your article and then highlight it. You can see change. So click on it. Once you click on it, paste your affiliate link right here. So highlight and then replace your affiliate link. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, click on link. Once you click on link, your affiliate link has been inserted. So that is what you need to do. You have to insert your affiliate link in all the article. Once you insert your affiliate links, the next step is that you have to click right here, continue. These are the options. You have to add some tags. They have weight loss tags and many others. So you can see weight loss. So just add as many tags as you can. So let's say weight loss. As you can see, weight loss has been added. So let's type something like keto meal. Once that is done, click on create. As you can see, that has been done. Keto meal has been created. So you have to add a lot of different tags. Once that is done, do not change any of these and then just click right here, send to everyone now. Once you click on it, your article will be published onto the website. So click right here, publish without button. So just click on it. Once you click on it, your article has been published onto the website. You can see your post is live. You can click right here to copy the link to your post. So now what you need to do is that you have to create another article and then publish it onto this website. Make sure you publish as many articles so that you can get many people to read your articles and then click on your affiliate link so that they can purchase the products for you to make money. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button. Press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.